We all think we understand love. We think we know what it feels like, how it's supposed to look, how it should protect us, heal us, and make us whole. But what if the thing you called love was never love at all? What if the person you trusted with your heart was using your deepest wounds as the map to your destruction? This is the dark psychology of love. And today we're going to uncover why so many people fall in love with those who hurt them the most. Because love doesn't always save you. Sometimes love is the trap. 1. The brain is addicted to emotional highs in healthy love. The brain experiences stable levels of dopamine and oxytocin. But toxic love? It creates emotional spikes, high highs, and devastating lows. Neuroscientists discovered that people become chemically addicted to relationships that swing between affection and rejection. Your brain starts craving the next high, like an addict chasing a drug. This isn't romance. This is neurochemical chaos masquerading as passion. 2. Your childhood wounds choose your adult lovers. Psychologists call it repetition compulsion. We subconsciously choose partners who recreate the emotional patterns of our childhood. If love felt unpredictable, you might confuse anxiety with attraction. If love felt inconsistent, you might equate instability with excitement. If love required earning affection, you might think you need to deserve it as an adult. The toxic person isn't random. They're familiar. Your nervous system recognizes the chaos and calls it home. 3. Toxic people love you in a way that feels rare. There's something intoxicating about being intensely desired by someone who seems hard to please. They flatter you, worship you, pull you in, like you're the only person on earth who understands them. But it's an illusion. They don't love you because you are unique. They love you because you are available to be shaped into what they need. Their love feels rare because they give it in rare doses. Never enough to heal you, always enough to keep you addicted. 4. The fear of being alone is stronger than the fear of being hurt. Humans are wired for connection. The brain interprets loneliness as a threat to survival. Toxic partners sense this fear. They amplify it. They make you believe you won't find anyone else, that you're difficult, that they're the only one who wants you. This fear isn't weakness. It's biology. But they weaponize it. 5. They mirror your soul, then use it against you at the beginning. They study you. Your dreams, your insecurities, your fears, your past heartbreaks. They reflect your personality back at you like a perfect mirror. It feels magical. It feels like destiny. But the moment you trust them, they twist the mirror. And everything you revealed becomes ammunition. Your softness becomes their leverage. Your vulnerability becomes their power. Your love becomes their tool. 6. Toxic love feels intense because it's unpredictable. The human brain is most responsive to unpredictable reward cycles. This is why casinos make billions. Toxic love works the same way. You never know what version of them you're going to get. The lover, the stranger, the destroyer, the savior. The inconsistency becomes addictive. Your brain keeps promising you, maybe tomorrow will be better. This is how hope becomes a cage. 7. You mistake their chaos for passion. They fight passionately, apologize passionately, love passionately, leave passionately, return passionately. It feels like a storm, dangerous but exhilarating. Healthy love feels calm, but calm feels boring when your nervous system is addicted to storms. And so you choose chaos because it feels alive. 8. The fixing fantasy keeps you trapped. You start believing you can save them, heal them, love them into becoming better. This fantasy gives you purpose, comfort, identity, but it is a trap. Toxic people don't want healing. Healing would remove their power. They need chaos, and you become the one trying to fix the fire while burning alive inside it. 9. Trauma bonding creates the strongest chains. The bond formed through cycles of abuse and affection is stronger than normal love. Your brain becomes addicted to the relief that comes after the pain. It's not the person you're attached to, it's the cycle, the emotional roller coaster, the biochemical crash and reward. This is why it feels impossible to leave even when your heart is breaking. 10. You stay because you love who they were at the beginning. Every toxic relationship has two versions, the beginning and the truth. You don't stay for the person hurting you now. You stay for the person you thought they were. But that version of them never existed. It was a mask, a performance, a strategically created illusion designed to pull you in. You're not in love with them. You're in love with the memory of who they pretended to be. The escape, the part they don't want you to hear. Leaving isn't about strength. It's about clarity. The moment you see the cycle, the moment you realize that love isn't meant to feel like fear, something inside you awakens. You begin to detach, slowly, quietly, but powerfully. And one day you walk away, not because you stopped loving them, but because you finally started loving yourself. And that is the kind of love toxic people can never control.